Hello everyone, you're on to Healthy Options with Maureen. We are going to continue with the recipes that we're making for the festive season. Today we'll be making the avocado and zucchini salad. Very simple but really filled with nutrition and also very delicious. Come with me as we make this because I know you will like this. Please, if you've not subscribed, don't forget to do so by hitting on the red button. Thank you. So for our zucchini avocado salad, we'll be needing some zucchini, some avocado, some garlic, onion, salt, some black pepper, and our vinaigrette. I'll be leaving the ingredients that I used for making the vinaigrette. It's just a question of putting it all together and giving it a good shake, and you have your vinaigrette. We will also be needing some olive oil. So as you can see, I've started cutting my zucchini. I have one more to go, and I will show you how I cut to get this shape. The first thing I will do is to give it a cut longitudinally like that. And then I'll start cutting this way. You can actually cut your zucchini to any shape you like. Whatever shape you like will work for you. So the next thing that I'll be going in is some sea salt. I'm going to add some salt. Then the grated garlic goes in. I'll be adding black pepper as well. And last but not the least, I'll add the olive oil. So you just drizzle on top like that. Then using my hands, I'm going to give it a really good toss, making sure everything comes together and blends well. So while I was prepping my zucchini, I put a cast iron skillet on heat and it's been heating up for some time. What I want is just a slight coloring on both sides. So I'll be heading for the cast iron skillet right now. So I just made some ghee in my cast iron skillet and I'm going to drop the zucchini. Like I said, we are just looking for a quick sear on both sides. And that sear will actually give it the coloring we are looking for. And as you can see, I've started flipping some. That's exactly what we are looking for right there. So I will flip and let the reverse side get seared as well. Then I'll fish it out onto a plate right here that contains a paper towel. And I will continue with the other batch. I'll come back and show you what it looks like by the time we are done. So that's exactly what we are looking for, and I'm going to fish this out. As you can see, I'm transferring it into this plate that has a paper towel layered on it, and I will continue with the other batch of zucchini till I'm done. So I'm going to start prepping the avocados now. As you can see, I just cut that into two, and I'll cut it into chunks so that I can add it onto the salad as well. I've been able to cut my avocado into chunks and we'll start assembling the salad. I have our zucchini avocado salad ready and assembled, and I'll be adding on the dressing. I'll just make sure I get a little on every layer so that you don't have some parts filled with dressing and other parts not having dressing at all. So that's exactly how I will serve my zucchini avocado salad. I hope you give this recipe a go and let us know what your take is on it. Please, if you've not subscribed, don't forget to do so by hitting on the red button. Thank you.